Hello folks, I'm Scott Bruce from Integrity Wealth Consulting with your September 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that moved markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. September was another turbulent month for stocks as uncertainty around global growth and Federal Reserve policies unsettled markets worldwide. Let's take a look at some of the last month's major events. Worries about China and global growth dogged markets last month and contributed to the volatility. China's economy is lagging, and investors are concerned about how a slowdown there will affect growth around the world. Surprising at least a few analysts, the Federal Reserve declined to raise interest rates at its mid-September meeting. Fed economists decided to hold pat, mostly because of concerns about how slowing global economic growth might affect the U.S. economy. They also believe that inflation is mild enough not to require a rate raise right away. The Fed's decision means that central bankers are taking a very cautious approach. However, some analysts worry that holding off risks more trouble for the economy down the line. In a separate speech, Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen laid out a case for raising interest rates later this year, suggesting that the economy is ready. However, she also emphasized that the decision to raise rates will be dependent on data, so we'll have to wait and see what the coming weeks will bring. At the end of the month, we got another revised estimate of second quarter economic growth. The latest data showed that GDP growth accelerated to 3.9% from 3.7%. Higher consumer spending and construction drove the gain. Let's hope the increased activity held into the third quarter. As we move closer to the holiday shopping season and the end of the year, we expect domestic fundamentals to play a larger role in the markets. While there's no doubt that the international growth picture is rocky, the U.S. economy is driven largely by domestic demand. We hope the additional clarity from the Federal Reserve will give investors the confidence they need to get back in the game. As always, we're keeping a close eye on events and will update our clients as necessary. Though periods of volatility are stressful, they are also provided opportunities for savvy investors. As financial professionals, our job is to help position our clients for success in all market environments. That's it for our September Educational Economic Update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 724-940-9060. We'd be happy to talk with you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.